What's up guys, my name is SuperCho. Today I'm gonna show you how to use the new PS4 Remote Play after its new update. Let's go. Alright guys, first thing you need to do is go to the PS4 Remote Play app. And from here you want to select, your language. There you go, English. So there it is. Windows, PC user or a Mac, it doesn't matter. Alright, so first thing, version 4.0 update. That is the new update. So the name of the app has changed to PS Remote Play. For the simple reason that changes were made to make PS Remote Play compatible with the PlayStation 5 console scheduled for release. So basically you can use, from now on, in the future you're going to be able to use the PS Remote Play also with the PlayStation 5, which is very nice. And we're gonna see how this is gonna work in the future. So custom controller button assignments for PS4 system now apply when you use a remote play. Alright, and this is something very important. Support for Windows 8.1 is no longer available, which means the PS Remote Play will only work on Windows 10. So I'm sorry about the Windows 8 users. I used to be a Windows 8 user. I love Windows 8, but unfortunately those are the new circumstances. Alright, getting ready, you need the following things to use the remote play: computer, PS4 system, DualShock cable, account, and high-speed internet connection. By high-speed internet connection, I'll say over 100 megabytes of internet. You can check your internet really fast. Just like that, I can actually show you how to check your internet like really fast. You can go over here to speed test, and you can just hit a go. That's how you're gonna do it. Let's get back to the remote play. So now the installation. Save on your desktop, select your country region. Over here you have to agree first, then you download. I already have it downloaded. You run the installation file, and now next thing you want to do, setting up your PS4 system. Those are very important settings. You have to do every single one of it, mostly every single one, so you don't have any error, any problems. So right now I'm gonna go through every single setting from here on now. Alright guys, before using this application you need to do the following things on your PS4 system. So first thing we need to do is enable the remote play. Go to settings, remote play connection settings, and then select the checkbox for enable remote. That's what we're gonna do. So first thing we're gonna do is go to settings again, looking for remote play connection settings. There it is. You're gonna find it down the tab, and enable or disable. Now I have enabled it. Right now I'm actually using the remote play. You're gonna see how it goes later. After this, activate the system as your primary PS4 system. Select settings, account management, activate as your primary PS4, and then you activate it. Alright, we go to settings over here, account management, activate as your primary PS4. You go to your PS4. I already have it activated. You do that, you activate it. I can deactivate it, but there's no need for that. And the third and final setting before you can start a remote play is start remote play while your PS4 system is in rest mode. Select settings. Well, that's if your system is actually in rest mode, so you don't really need that setting. But if you want to go, you can go to power save settings, set features available in rest mode. Alright, let's do that. And the final settings over here, final setting, I'm going to show you guys. There is the power save settings, set features available in rest mode. You can either stay connected to the internet or enable turning on PS4 from network. It's up to you. I have selected to stay connected to the internet. It's much easier, especially if you have a good internet. Before we continue with the remote play, you should definitely check the system requirements. A computer with the following operation system: Windows 10, it's required. Windows 10, like I said, Windows 8 is no more, unfortunately. 7th generation Intel, 100 megabytes or more available storage, 2 GB RAM, higher display resolution, sound card, USB port. If you have a normal laptop or just a fine ass PC, you're gonna be able to have those requirements. No problem with that. But you need to check this out before you start using it. Okay guys, this is it. The PS Remote Play. It used to be PS4 Remote Play, but now it's only PS Remote Play. Alright, let's go. Let's see what we gotta do. First thing you want to do is, of course, sign in to PSN. I'm gonna do that real quick. Alright, after this, close the window and just click the PS Remote Play again, and everything should be alright. Things should open up. There you go, there it is. Which do you want to connect, and you choose between the PS5 and the PS4. As you can see, PS4 will be available probably next November. I forgot the exact date. But we're looking for the PS4. First things first, you want to go to settings, probably video quality. This is the PS4 resolution. This is what I'm looking for. You have to choose your frame rates, which you're able to have as connection. I suggest you test like between 720 and 180. See what is gonna work for you. Frame rate high to a standard. You see what it is. Try high when you have a fast connection to your PS4, which I do, and that's why I selected high. Alright, we're ready to go. PS4. You can link manually, but I prefer to search via internet, and it should be done in like 1 or 2 minutes. Alright, let's see what's gonna happen. Now it connects to the PS4. It's looking for the PS4. It's kind of slow considering my PS4 is like 1 feet away or something like that. So yeah, it should take a while. There you go, linking your PS4. Alright, let's see. Come on, check me. Check the network. The network is alright, buddy. Come on. Alright, and there we have it, guys. The PS Remote Play is ready to go. I don't have the sound on. I just turn off the sound on. So, what else can I explain? Maybe for party settings, you see this bar down here? This is where you can enable microphone, switch to the microphone, the remote play device. Yes, you can activate or deactivate the microphone for the bottom screen. This is something you should notice. You can see how the controller is. There's the share button, the options button. You can see the PS button. It's pretty usable. And alright, this is about everything you need to know. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that this have helped you out a lot. If you have any questions, please ask me in the comments. I'm gonna leave a link to the video where I did how to use the PS4 Remote Play and the Streamlabs OBS so you can stream with it with this program. I'm gonna leave the video in the description below so you can check it out. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. This is going to be it from me. Bye bye. I'll see you in the next one.